What is electrical motor? An electrical motor is an electrical machine which can convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Types of motor are base types of supply. Those types of motors are DC motor and AC motor type. DC motors are types which work on presence of DC energy, and AC motors work based on presence of AC energy. Types of DC motors are self-excited DC motor, permanent magnet DC motor, and separately excited DC motor. AC motor types are synchronous motor, asynchronous motor, or induction motor. The another type of AC motor are special types of AC motors. In general, the electrical motor can be applied industrial applications, household appliances, transportation, office and commercial equipment, agriculture, medical equipment, and robotics and automation.